Hello, this is Satish from Aha Apps, and I have Sunil Raheja, our Dynamics CRM practice head. Sunil has been in Dynamics CRM for a very long time, and he's been working on some interesting problems recently. And I wanted to chat with him about that. Sunil, why don't you tell us about some of the problems you've been working on recently?
Hey Satish. Satish, I have noticed, the major problem that the client face with an existing implementation is overly customized system.
Okay.
Dynamics is, customizable in any which way that a client wants, right? There are a lot of scope of customization, but I have seen that prompts users, not users, but developers or whoever's customizing it, they kind of overdo it, which
Okay.
becomes a problem for the client.
So Sunil, I mean, from what I know, Dynamics CRM is a very customizable system, and developers can add a lot of code and all that. So what's wrong with that? I mean, you're saying that that's what is causing the problems. I mean, that's what it's supposed to do, right?
Yes, it is a functionality. It's a feature that they have given that okay, whichever requirement you want to achieve, you can customize it and achieve it. But there is a difference between just configuration, and there's a difference between overdoing it with some code or scripts or behind the scenes, which is very tough to maintain for the
Okay.
admins, right?
Okay.
Because you are going to do it and hand it over to the client, and the admins are going to maintain it later on, right? If you are
Mhm.
heavily customized behind the scenes, you have plugins, scripts running here and there, maybe web pages going, and that'll be a problem to maintain later on for
Okay.
sure.
So the impact of this, I mean, overly customizing it is it primarily a maintenance issue for the admins and the I mean whoever is managing the CRM system?
One more thing apart from that is the user's adoption, right? Say you are customizing one of the web pages, right? Opportunity form or something, you have done like a separate web page for that, right? How about the other entities, other tables, other forms, right? They are going to still be out of the box, so there's like a disconnect between this and the other one, right? So
Mhm.
users need to be you need to they need to learn this separately and the other separately, right? It
I
has to
see.
be consistent, right? And that also becomes like a user adaptability issue later on.
I see. I see. Okay, so it's like, I mean, I'm hearing two things. One is for admins to maintain it is going to be a challenge, and
Yeah,
usability also becomes an issue. Okay,
correct.
right. So how did you guys solve this problem?
So basically, just going back to the basics, going back simple, making it simple. What we
Hmm.
did was we kind of retired the whole custom web page that we saw the previous company had built. We retired it. We used the out of the box page. We added a bunch of stuff. Didn't customize it much. We did some business rules. We did some workflows behind the scenes, and we gave it to the customer within a week or two. And
I see.
you won't. You'd be surprised to see their reaction. They were like, we had been wanting this for so long, and this was nothing close to what we had,
I
right?
see.
And they were really happy, the users were happy, they were able to adopt it, and like everybody was happy within 2 weeks, and we built on top of that further requirements. But this was like their initial reaction, I'm saying.
So it looks like you simplified things, which reminds me of a quote from Leonardo da Vinci, I think. He said, the ultimate form of sophistication is basically simplifying things or something to that extent.
Yes,
So
absolutely, I agree to that.
okay, okay, very well. So it looks like the client was happy and you were able to resolve this issue. So well, I mean, thank you very much for that, and see you next time with another problem.
No problem. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.